Hello guys. Nice to see you again. Open up a terminal. Type apt cache. Search CM common. Here it is. And type apt get install CM common. Hit enter. Type Y. Hit enter again. Sweet. Let's check it from map menu. Click right mouse button on icon. Choose add to favorites. Go back to dash docs menu. Move application launcher icon. Let's add the application launcher to the desktop. Go to Places. Choose Computer option. Go to USR folder. Go to Share folder. And go to Application folder. Find the application launcher. Click right mouse button on it. Choose Copy to. Click Desktop at the left sidebar menu. Click Select button at right top. Yes. Here it is.